All right, guys, so today my husband is going to wax my armpits with these wax strips for body and leg and body. I don't know how to pronounce the name of it, and we are going to do this. So basically what you do is, this is what the strip looks like, and you rub it between your hands for, I think it says 3 seconds, 30 seconds if it's a cold environment, and then you peel it apart, and then they're ready to go. So my husband's reading the instructions because he doesn't trust me because I never really read instructions or directions. He's also not paying attention to me right now because he's really reading them. And we're gonna do my armpits. They so hairy. What does it say?
When applying the strips, always let the white side of wax strips as the removal side, otherwise removing will be painful.
That makes sense.
I don't know what that means.
Okay, so let's do this, Brutus. I think what they're trying to say is to grab it by the white part so that you can actually rip it, because the white part doesn't have the wax on it. Don't forget to hold my skin tight. Do you want me to hold it?
Are you ready?
No, not really. Go. Did it get it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Holy moly.
Should we get the rest?
Yeah, definitely. That's really good.
It's really good. It only didn't get in the crevice.
Little ones, we got the big ones.
Show your pity.
Let's show the pits. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, now let's get the other one. Looking good. Sorry if I smell. You smell so something I didn't.
You don't smell. I didn't get the script before this.
Oh.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Great.
How'd that one do? All of it?
No, not all of it, but pretty good.
Wow, my armpits were so hairy. Holy shit. The pit first. Wow, so clean. I give us a rating on what you think. Would you recommend or would you not recommend?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Put it in order. These or the,
Well, I think they're probably more wasteful.
okay.
You have to go through a lot of this stuff at a time.
Yep.
So in that sense, they're probably 6.
Okay, fair enough.
In the sense of easy to use, they're the easiest ones ever to use, so I'd give that a 10.
Okay.
I think they leave a waxy residue behind, where the sugar wax doesn't.
Yep.
At all.
I agree.
Much easier to use than the hard wax. The hard wax is the hardest one to use and messy, and so this one, sugar wax, and then hard wax.
Okay, fair enough. You heard it here first, folks. You guys can pick these up on my Amazon affiliate link. All right, just want to give an update on my armpits. That video was filmed 5 minutes ago, not even, and I took off the wax off. I used the wax off, which I use often, and then it looked like I had a reaction to it almost. You can't really see it right now. Let me see if I can get you guys a better view of what I'm talking about. Do you see that? I think I might be allergic to it. So I feel like it's important to say, just because I'm having a reaction doesn't mean you'll have reaction. It's probably an allergic reaction, and I'm allergic to a lot of stuff, so it makes sense. I think you could probably see it better in here, but I just put on the cool off, which is something that you put on after you wax, and it definitely helped, but I still have bumps and just looks a little bit like a reaction, but yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Be careful, might be allergic.